more?
More.
There you go. You're welcome. Hang them up. Good job. How about you pick an area that doesn't have any? Yeah. You're going to put them on the back of the tree so no one gets them? You're a good decorator. A chocolate. What? Careful. Oh. Hold on, I'll get it. Yeah, there's more. Here. Okay, get him out. Good job. Find a place. Yep, be careful. Good job. You're hanging them so good. It's okay. Yeah. You're doing so good. More? Another one? There you go. Careful. Do you like decorating the tree? What are these? Are these candy canes? Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are they? That's not trick or treat. They're trick or treats. They're candy canes. Yeah. We have a lot on the bottom. Are you going to put any on the top?
Yeah.
There's only 2 left. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All gone.
All gone. Say bye, candy canes.
It's gone.
Yeah, they're gone. I like how many you have there on that little branch. Good job.
More?
They're all gone. Look. Look, the box is all gone.
More?
No, there's no more.
More?
You want to decorate the tree with your fishies?
Trick-or-treats?
We don't have any trick-or-treats. Candy canes. Yeah, they're on the tree. Just take them off and redecorate. That's all we have.
Trick-or-treats.
Okay, decorate with your trick-or-treats.
Great. What? Trick-or-treats?
Yep, trick-or-treats.
Oh, what? Trick-or-treats?
Oh.
Here.
You're getting your chair. Are you going to decorate higher?
Trick-or-treat.
No, you little sneak. You are a sneak.
Oops.
Oh, that's heavy.
Down.
No, don't touch those. They'll break. Good job. You're strong.
Let's go. Here. Trick-or-treats.
Yeah.
Oh.
All gone. Can you say bye?
Here, focus trees.
We don't have any more. Oh, sad face. Tell Dad to go to the store and get more. To get me more, Dad. Go to Target. Do you want him to get you more?
More.
Tell him. Say go to the store. I bet if you give Dad a hug, he'll go. Go give him a hug.
There are more candies.
More candies?
More candies.
What do you want Santa to bring you for Christmas? Do you want Barbies?
Do you bite? The bite? Bite?
You're gonna take a bite?
Take a bite?
No.
Oh, take a bite.
I was kidding. There's wrappers. No, there's wrapper.
Here, open it. The-
Here, I'll give you a baby candy cane. That's too much for you. Here, I'll get you a baby.